What's going on, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ. So, Christmas time. You've got that friend or family member that's got jet skis. You're not quite sure what to get them. Real simple. I've got gift cards available. So if you're not sure if they need this type of front mount, this type of stick, if they need a side mount, or if they need a rear mount, or even a phone mount. You've got them all, but you don't have to make up your mind right now. You can get them a gift card, and here's a promise I'll make you. Once they get this gift card and they choose what they want off our site, I'll ship it the next day. They'll get it quick. So go ahead over to NRGcreativ. I'll leave the links in the description and pick them up a gift card. It's quick, it's instant. You get them the perfect gift.